Alright, check this out. For those of you who have been watching the videos on how to bend Adam's clasp, you have another option besides bending an actual Adam's clasp. If you're new to orthodontics and you aren't very good at wire bending, well, these are your miracles. You can buy pre-bent Adam's clasp. And I'm going to show you the pros and the cons of buying one that's pre-made versus making them your own. Well, first of all, the pros of buying pre-made Adam's clasp is they come in 028, they come in all different sizes. It makes it really easy to get started because all you have to do is pick the right size and you're already, you have 50% of the project done. So you can see where it's going to fit, and all you have to do is adapt it around the teeth. You want to go in the interproximal. A good bird beak plier will come in handy. And please excuse my dirty fingers because I was working with polish all day today. So it's really easy to adapt an Adam's clasp with the pre-bent wires. So it's definitely a pro that it's going to save you time, and time is everything in orthodontics. So once you establish your crossovers, you can begin to cut down. I like to use a 3-prong. You want to be 1 millimeter off the tissue. And it's really easy to bend this after. Slight adjustments. And add some retention. And make sure these are parallel to each other. Set. So it's not very hard to bend an Adam's clasp when it's pre-bent, but there is some cons. The cons is you're using stainless steel wire. The cons are if you want to bend this little design right here and refix it and fix it over and over again, you have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have about 6 different bends in there too. Now what I like to use is chromium cobalt, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can bend this stuff all day before it breaks. That's how many times. So now, bending an Adam's clasp by hand takes a lot longer time. So you're definitely going to save time with these guys, and they're not that expensive. You usually buy them 100 at a time.